guys, welcome back to Workshop Wednesday. It's Bali. And before we start, like always, we do an icebreaker. Today's icebreaker is, who's your role model? My role model is my mom. And the reason for that is because she's a loving, caring, independent woman who always has my back. Today what we're going to be talking about is role models. What's a role model? It's a person who is looked at by others as an example to be imitated. So with role models, it's important to know that they inspire you, they motivate you, you learn from their mistakes, and as well as you learn to overcome obstacles. So an example is, another role model of mine is Frida Kahlo. And the reason for that is because she taught me to never give up on my dreams, no matter what. And with role models, we have to be aware that there's negative role models as well. And some signs that they're negative role models is they impact your life in a negative way. They set bad examples and behaviors to others. So be aware of that. And I'll let Lupe talk more about it. Take care, guys.
Hey guys, it's Solorio again. So the question for today is, who is my role models? I have actually two role models. I have my mom and my dad. They're my role models because they work very hard for what they have and they never give up. So those are my two role models that I have ever since I was younger. And so why is it important to have role models? They actually influence us and they motivate us to strive in life. These are the people that help us become who we are and push us and guide us on a proper path. They also inspire us. You know, sometimes we want to be who these people are. So if they're leaders, sometimes we want to be leaders just like them. We also learn from their mistakes. You know, it's really important to learn, you know, what people did, bad errors that they did, so we can correct it in the future. And they also teach us and we learn how to overcome our obstacles. And that is really important for us because we want to learn from things that happened in the past and how can we correct the problem, you know. So there's also negative role models, and this is somebody who impacts you in a negative way in your life. So somebody with poor behavior, somebody who's going to set a negative example for you, for children, and for anybody in the future. There's a lot of qualities that somebody who has positive and negative characteristics have. So I will have Lupe and Lali describe these.
Hi guys, this is Lupe. So who is my role model? My role model is my mom. She's a strong, independent woman, and I admire that, along with other people that have shaped my academic career. And not only that, but advocacy leaders within our community and Latinx community like Dolores Huerta. So what are some positive characteristics that a role model may have so they can be courageous, caring, honest, understanding, selfless, strong, independent, intelligent, and most importantly, passionate. So what can you do to have those characteristics or qualities a part of your life? So the first step could be, joining a club, after school programs, sports, volunteer your time, or even religious groups. So definitely, in those activities that you can be a part of, they offer, a mentoring role. So whether it is your coach, whether it is your leader, staff member, or just a volunteer, definitely they're there to help you and be as a support. But you can also learn and pick up on those qualities so you can be a role model to your sibling, to your family member, to your peers. And so a most important tip of them all, try not to copy whatever your role model does exactly. Your experience is much more different than theirs. And, be yourself. The role model should serve, to motivate you to be your best self. So those are a couple things to end off today, but a couple reminders: the Zoom office hours are available, and the Educational Talent Search organization has offered virtual college visits, so definitely check those out if you're interested. But have a nice day, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!